Hi guys, this is Carrie. You're watching A Crone's Life. I have another unboxing. This one is not a Kickstarter. This is something that I ordered over the internet. I'm kind of addicted to folklore and mythology, and so anything that kind of appeals to me in that respect, I don't know. I don't have to. I just succumb to it. This is from Modern Magic. I follow her on Instagram as well. Let's see, a whole lot of trash in here. Okay. So it took forever for this to get to me. So when I say forever, I'm used to things coming like within a month or 2 months or, you know, something like that. This actually took 3 months? I want to say it was 3 months. I could be wrong. I could be exaggerating because I've just felt like it took so long. But for me, living in the United States, I'm kind of spoiled getting things quickly and safely. And, oh, yeah. But this came from Russia, and so it basically took what in my brain was forever. So there's gold and the harpies on the front, constellations. Forgotten Legends Tarot. It is the author's tarot deck, the world of cards, archetypes, and fairy tales. Here are Slavic, Scandinavian, Celtic, Greek, and many other myths and legends where the characters are intertwined with modern style and in some places with real people. The deck was created intuitively based on images from dreams, sensations, and internal understanding of symbolism. So Velga North is the author/artist. And my box is a bit messed up, but I don't mind. This is the guidebook. It is in Russian, but just to let you know, there is a PDF online that I can download, and I actually have downloaded it onto my phone that's in English. So I'm going to keep this, but I don't need it. I have what I need online. Of course, there's the business card. And I got a little sticker. And so what my plan is for this box is to take out the broken bits, because this is pretty messed up. I'll save the ribbon, throw away the cardboard, and not sure what I'm going to do with the ribbon, but you know, I hate to throw away ribbon. You can always do something with ribbon. So I don't know what that is. I will set it aside. So now this is the box, and that's probably how I will store them. I'll probably put them in one of my monster bags and just set it inside. These did not come in order, so I don't believe I have shuffled them. I have gone through them, but I have not shuffled them. But they were not in order. So if I did shuffle them, then it really doesn't matter. They weren't in order anyway. So let's make sure we are pretty much centered. I hope you can see this well enough. The backs are not reversible. The sun, moon on the middle goes one direction or the other, but that again doesn't bother me. I don't know if I need to read these to you. This is the devil, the moon, the star. Oh man, I'm gonna stop right here and turn on my lights. I'm so sorry. This is the devil, the moon, the star, the sun, the empress, the chariot, the hanged man, the magician, the high priestess, judgment, the world, wheel of fortune, the fool, the hierophant, the hermit. Let's straighten these up. The tower, strength, the emperor, death, justice. I feel like there's two cards. Hold on. Justice, the lovers, temperance, five of pentacles, queen of pentacles, king of cups, ace of swords, knight of swords, knight of cups, ace of pentacles, page of swords, page of wands, page of cups, knight of wands, king of wands. There's two cards here. King of wands, king of pentacles, queen of pentacles, ace of wands, queen of wands, ooh, sorry, king of swords, ace of cups, queen of swords, knight of pentacles, 10 of pentacles. These are so nice and thick, I keep thinking that there's two there. Queen of cups, page of pentacles, 4 of pentacles, 6 of pentacles, 3 of swords, 7 of wands, 3 of cups, 2 of wands, 2 of pentacles, 2 of cups, 5 of swords, 4 of wands, 4 of swords, 4 of cups, 3 of pentacles, 3 of wands, 6 of wands, 6 of swords, 7 of Swords, 2 of Swords, 10 of Swords, 8 of Swords, Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups. Oh wait. Is it 9 of Cups and 9 of Swords? What do the queens look like? Does it say Queen out or does it say Q? Dang it. I feel like I've been saying these wrong. Oh, it spells out Queen. Okay, so that's 9. Look, I'm not an idiot, I promise. Okay, 9 of Cups. Lord, I thought I had said all the queens. Okay. Make sure these are kind of separated. I have thoughts. Okay. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. Unicorns. 10 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 5 of Cups. 9 of Wands. 8 of Wands, that's the Pegasus. 5 of Wands. 10 of Wands. 7 of Pentacles. That's Beauty and the Beast. And 8 of Pentacles. And I really feel like I should put these in order so that I can see if I have all the cards. I don't think it's a problem. It really feels like there's a full deck here, but I'm also wondering if maybe this deck was returned to Modern Magic because there's a dent just in this corner. It might be hard to see on camera, but if you fan these out, you can see it across all the cards. Just to let you know, it does not bother me, but I do notice it. So none of the other corners have it. If I were to fan it out this way, maybe you would notice there's not that dent there. And also, the cards kind of separate right there and there. So it feels like it's been shuffled. And I don't believe I did that. So, this may have been a return. The moon is definitely holding this space in the deck. I kind of want to do this, but I won't do it on camera. I wanted to show these to you, and they were out of order. Maybe we'll go through them again sometime and have them in order just so you could see what they look like, well, in order. Okay, I've put them in order, and we're going to try this again. I will not read to you. I'll just flip through this quickly. Not terribly quickly. Something to note, and I didn't mention it the last time, but it's obvious, the major arcana have gold foiling, and the minor arcana do not. And I know you're probably noticing how the cards stick to each other and I'm fiddling with them. I do not believe that is the cardstock. I believe that it's the way that they are cut. So I feel a little bit of a lip right here on the front side of the card, and I think that because of the bevel, like there's a curve in the back and a lip in the front, and they just kind of sit inside of each other. These are not sticky at all. These are buttery soft cards. Not rose petal, very matte, but it feels very smooth but soft. So the best I can say is buttery. It's nice thick cardstock. It seems papery, like not, you know how some cards are laminated and they feel plasticky. This is much more papery. So I'd really like to do a video where I go through all of my folklore, fairy tale, and or mythological decks, because the artwork is so beautiful on this one. I'm blown away, and it's actually the main reason why I was just so enticed by it. Oh, it's Little Red Riding Hood. I didn't notice that before. You see the outline of the wolf in the trees. How cool. But I am curious to know how many decks I have that are story-based, folklore-based. I am good with words, can you tell? Maybe I'll do that sometime soon. But that's it. I just wanted to show you the cards, and I'll tack this on the other video I did where they're all out of order, or I'll edit it. Who knows? But I'll talk to you guys later.